Hello all, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Today we are going to learn how to make skeleton of peepal leaf. So let's get started. Here I have taken water in the tub. Leaves we are going to soak in the water for 15 to 16 days. After 15 days, you can see how these leaves look like. It's look little bit transparent. Now you have to use toothbrush to make it more clear and to remove layers of the leaf. You can see that with the help of water and toothbrush, how I am gently rubbing and trying to remove the layer on it. So leaf get more clear and more transparent. See what a beautiful and elegant web has been created from the peepal leaf. All these process, it's very interesting, but even after to color these leaves and use it for art is more creative and more interesting. For coloring the leaf, here I am taking acrylic color and sponge, placing on a tissue paper and dabbing, you can give color to leaf. After coloring, it looks very beautiful and attractive, isn't it? Many of you, or maybe all of you, will have this question: how to use this leaf and for what purpose we need these leaf in the art. So friends, here I am giving you an option how you can use this leaf in a different way. First, you can use this as a wall hanging art. Arrange this leaf into the frame and then this frame will look awesome. Second, here I am using one of my scrapbook which I have made for my friend. So here I am arranging that leaf to decorate my scrapbook. You can see. You can also use these leaves in between in the scrapbook to decorate pages. Third use of this leaf that I'm going to show you, it's very easy. For making greeting card also you can use this leaf and make your greeting card more creative. If you try to find many of the uses of these skeleton leaf you can make in your art. So friends, I hope you enjoy this video. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe us. And you are already subscribed, then do comment, like, share our Akarat channel. Thank you for watching.